How's it going today, guys? Okay, I got a Snapper lawnmower here. I bought this brand new in 1986, believe it or not. Tecumseh 4-horse, self-propelled. I use my rider now. When I used to live out, in New York, Long Island, that area. I use this all the time. What a brand new. It was a lot of money back in the day. It was $530. I never forget the number. But hey, this thing's still around, still runs, still around. Looks like I'm gonna have to put a friction disc in here. Years ago I changed that. Just the rubber, this rubber piece that's up at. Let's see if I can get in close. On this wheel, this metal wheel here. Let me see. I can point it right out. Tough spot to get into right there. This rubber, this disc comes apart. Do a little video on it when I go to do it. And yeah, she's just worn down. You know, it's, like I said, it's old. But anyway, I brought it out. I gotta fire it up. So I'm gonna put it on the put you on a stand here. See what we get. Go, whoops. I think you should be able to see. Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, let's see if she starts. Prime her up. It's amazing, this machine, I'll tell you that. She's a runner. Okay, so we got to do this. I'll be filming it. I just wanted to take it out, make sure she runs and everything's good. Yeah, you can't beat these old snappers, man.